Alright, I'm getting started on my LED sequential turn signals in my mirrors from SoCal Motors. We'll correct that name a little bit later in the video, but I will not make this a install video due to the fact that I already have a very nice install video. This is going to be more of a before and after, and I might do a very small blurb on the difference in the 01 to 05 Gold Wings, as this is an 03. Be right back. Alright, we do have a small correction on their LED flasher install. To remove this, they say all you do is pop it up and there's a series of little tabs. Well, on my bike, yes, I have green fingernail polish. It's because I like to paint my nails. I like color. Anyway, I had two of these, which were in this position right here after I removed my speaker grills, which come out very, very easily. Be careful, pop them out from the bottom. But also, and I know you can't see it, there we go, there is an Allen bolt down inside. I already loosened that one up down inside there. So apparently on the earlier wings there is a correction. Alright, I'll continue from there. Welcome back, everybody. Got my Pathfinder LEDs with daytime running lights installed in the mirrors. Looking really sharp, if I do say so myself. That's the box. There you go. Something very important here. Something very important to know. And this is something they did for me. They pre-wired one of the connectors for me. Let's see how they look. I got them from SoCal Moto Gear. Now, I know white lights pretty much suck on camera. All you're seeing is a big white glare. Let's see what happens if I step back from it. I promise you that they look really, really good. Hit the old turn signals here. So you get an idea. They are sequential. Looking sharp, looking sharp. Yes, I don't have an assistant today to help me out with this. There we go. Let's see what happens when we get closer. Oh, there we go. Now you get an idea of what they look like. There's how the daytime running lights are. That would be the horn. That's what happens when you don't have an assistant trying to do everything one hand. Like I said earlier, the one change was the way the screws come out from behind the speaker grills here. Other than that, it was pretty much like they said. Thanks for watching.